Okay, we're switching out to Fiocchi Golden Pheasant, ounce and a quarter, 3-inch, 20 gauge at 1,300 feet per second. Pretty stout load, great hunting load. I think I've got number 6 shot in here right now. I've got 4 in the gun, and this gun was shooting these. You'd flush a covey of quail, you'd get 1 shot and the gun would jam at double feed. Sometimes you get 2 shots and at double feed. So hopefully we're going to do better than that now. Let's give it a try. Bang, dead. Bird. Well, it fed through them all, and I shot like I do when I'm hunting. 3 shots, and I didn't break that clay target. What the hell? 2, 3, 4. What the heck? I got them right on. What's going on here? The low one, like the high ones, I'm crushing them. Oh, smoked it. Smoked it. And there we go. Piece of fucking shit. You can see the red. That was the last shell out of the tube. And look what it's done. Try it again. Smoke! Doing better there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, better. This was fucking me every time. I'm sorry. This was jamming me every time. Every time I'd flush a bird. So, definitely better. Oh, I had my foot on the pedal. They just kept coming. Crappy shooting, but the gun fed. We got 1 shell left. Okay, 1 box of Fiocchi Golden Pheasant, 1 failure to feed. Improved. Let's grab 1 more box and see how she does. Same thing, Kent Ultimate Fast Lead, 3-inch 20 at 1,300. Ounce and a quarter at 1,300. Maybe on video I'll see why I missed that one. 2 shots, didn't even ship it. So I was seeing a lot of the barrel on that one. And I got gunpowder in my eye. Gun's feeding flawlessly right now. So far, so good. I need to refill. Barrel's pretty hot. There we go. Well, that's not good. So I'm getting tired, a little fatigued from these heavier loads. And I feel like I do when I'm hunting, that I'm tired. But those are the shots I'm missing. Dude, this is crazy. So the 2 3/4 I shot are just right on the other side of the tripod there, say 6 feet away. The 3 inchers are ejecting like, oh my gosh, here and here, 10, 15 feet away. Easily twice the distance the 2 3/4 are going. The Benelli click. Pulled the trigger on that second one and it clicked. Look at this. Empty fucking chamber. Piece of shit. Empty gun that time. Yeah, look here. Look here. Unfired shell fell out of the gun. Maybe that's why the click. This ain't cool, guys. There is one in the chamber. Still got a piece of gunpowder in the eye there. This is why I should be wearing shooting glasses. I got Ear Pro in. 4 shells left out of this box. Oh, got her on the 3rd try. Broke that one. All right. It's definitely not fixed. So one more box. Let's see what we can catch on video. So again, Kent Ultimate Fast Lead, 1300 feet per second, ounce and a quarter, 3-inch 20s. Got 4 in the gun. Rooster! Ha 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 ha! Got him that last time. Boom, baby, boom. One, 2, 3. Good. 3 more in here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, smoke ball on that one. Wish you could have seen it. That ain't the gun, that's me. But missed 4 in a row. It means I shot 4 in a row. What do we got? We got 4 in the gun, 1 in the pocket. Boom, baby! Oh, yeah! Boom! Dead bird. Well, guys, better, but dang, dude. Why is it still jamming? So, 2, 3 malfunctions, like 1 per box. It's definitely better. But dudes, when you walk all day, all morning, 5, 6 miles, public land, hard to find birds. Like last year, I finally, after 6 years of chasing prairie grouse, I finally flushed prairie chickens. First shot miss, gun jammed, and I just watched them fly away. It's like a once in a 5-year opportunity blown because of this little gun right here. It's a damn shame. I don't know why. You let me know, I'm sure. I'll send you the edited video so you can see what's going on. Thanks for taking a look. Have a great day. Bye now.